So, Meta's still not giving up on smartwatches. After shelving their first attempt back in 2022, it looks like they're ready to take another crack at it. And this time, things are looking a lot more interesting. Their original project, called Project Milan, kind of fizzled out thanks to a weird design choice. They put a camera on the bottom of the watch, which apparently messed with a feature that read nerve signals from your wrist. Yeah, that's a real thing they were trying. Fast forward to now, and Meta might be back at it, this time with help from a Chinese company called Huaqin, which is supposedly their main manufacturing partner. According to some recent leaks, Meta is pushing ahead with a slight redesign, upgraded hardware, and they could show it off as early as September during their Meta Connect event. It's rumored to run on Android, not Wear OS, powered by a Qualcomm chip and packed with features, but the real eye catcher, cameras, 2 of them. They are said to be a 5 megapixels front-facing camera for video calls, think FaceTime, but from your wrist. And then a second camera on the back, either 10 or 12 megapixels, depending on which leak you believe, that only works when you detach the watch face from the band. So yeah, you could pull it off your wrist and snap photos on the go without pulling out your phone. It's like a GoPro and a smartwatch had a baby. Beyond the cameras, it's shaping up to be a full-featured wearable. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, eSIM support for cellular use, and access to Meta apps like WhatsApp and even Instagram stories, plus the usual health tracking stuff, heart rate, step counting, and workouts. The battery is expected to last about 18 hours, so just enough to get you through the day if you're not constantly snapping wrist selfies. And there's also talk that Meta wants this thing to tie into their bigger hardware ecosystem, like syncing with their Ray-Ban smart glasses and pulling in some AI features to make it smarter than your average watch. Think voice control, smart suggestions, maybe even some Meta AI features baked right in. As for price, it's rumored to launch at around $349, which puts it right in the same league as the Apple Watch and Galaxy Watch. Again, none of this is official yet, but if all the leaks line up, we could be just a few weeks away from seeing Meta's smartwatch finally step into the spotlight. Whether it ends up being the next big thing or just another experiment, it's definitely one to keep an eye on. Thanks for watching. Peace.